Guys, welcome back to channel. Today I'm going show you an effective way of how you can fix MySQL and Apache which is not working in easy way, which is not starting MySQL and Apache in XAMPP server. As you can see, when you want to start Apache or MySQL, it immediately stops. So in this video we are going to talk about this problem of XAMPP server. MySQL shut down unexpectedly, and this may be due to a blocked port. Open Explorer, then C drive. Then open XAMPP. Down here open MySQL. Now here you are going to rename this data folder to data old. Now you are going to create another folder to data. Here we are replacing the old one to this new one. Now go right click, then copy all folders and files in backup folder and paste them in data folder we just created in few seconds. Now you see we have all files and directories in data directory. Now by going to old data directory, here is where every database you have created before are located. Now you can copy all databases you need, but for me I don't have any database created, so I'm about to copy my SQL database, which default database which comes after installing XAMPP server, but for you may have more, you will need select all you databases you have and copy them and then paste them into data directory. Right click, then paste. Here you will need to replace the files in the destination. Go back to data old directory. Right click, then copy IB data 1. Go back to data directory. Right click, then paste, replace the file in the destination. Now let's start server again to see if we have solved the problem. Now by starting Apache and MySQL, everything works very well. Let's go check in the browser. You see everything working well. So guys, this is how to fix this problem of Apache and MySQL not working. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.